Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Christine and today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup look, which is really a winged eyeliner and bold lip. So the first step is to moisturize, and I like to use a gel moisturizer because I have oily skin. And don't forget your neck. Then I'll apply a lip balm because my lips get super chapped overnight. Now I'm applying this Biore sunscreen, which feels really good on the skin, not like those sticky sunscreens that my parents used to force me to wear when I was a kid. And in the summertime, I like to use a primer just so that my concealer and makeup stays on the skin nicely. Now I'm using this Strobe Cream from MAC, which is really nice because it will make your skin really glow underneath all of your makeup. And I'm also adding some underneath my eyes so that when I put the concealer on top of it, it'll really brighten up that eye area. I'm taking a peachy concealer because that really covers up blue, dark under eye circles well. And then I'm dragging it down around my nose and on any blemishes. But we can't always get all of them, can we? For my brows, I like to just extend them a little bit longer. I think it frames my face nicer, and then I just lightly fill in any sparse areas. And then blend, blend, blend. I realized after purchasing this brow pencil that it didn't really match the color of my brow hairs, but we can just ignore that. Now I'm running through my brows with a brow mascara to keep them in place. If I didn't use an eyelash curler, my lashes would be extremely straight. So I like to use this Kevyn Aucoin eyelash curler. Then I first go in with a drier mascara to kind of prime the eyelashes and kind of keep them in place. Then I'll go in with a lengthening mascara that's usually more of a wet formula. This mascara that I'm using today is kind of on its last leg. There's barely any juice left in it, which isn't doing much for me.
Oh, yes, of course.
And then finally I'll take a smaller wand mascara to get those bottom lashes, but this one was also kind of running out of ink. Now I'm going in and doing my signature winged eyeliner. But I don't always get it right on the first try. But no fret, we can fix it. I like to connect it into the middle of my eye, making sure I don't go past that middle mark, because otherwise it'll make your eyes look a little bit smaller. For my bold lip, I like to use YSL's lip stains. These are amazing quality lip stains. I think that a bold lip will really pull a look together and keep you looking very fresh. And then I'm doubling this up as a blush just so that my cheeks can match. taking Glossier's Halo Scope. This is one of my favorite highlighters because it just really blends into your skin super nicely. I'm using it on my nose, my cheekbones, and my Cupid's bow. And then also some underneath my eyebrows. I'm taking some setting powder and applying it underneath my eyes and around my T-zone area so that I don't get too shiny during the day. Now, as a finale, you can watch me as I try to play around with my bangs and get them how I like them to look. This is definitely a daily struggle, but when they're good, they can look really cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a thumbs up down below and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.